Hello friends. If you want to turn the present unprecedented crisis unfolded by COVID-19 into a new beginning for yourself and for your organization, then please do watch this video till the end. But before I start my real message, I must congratulate you for something great which you have already done. You must be wondering what? You guys have just completed more than 55 days without maids, nannies, cooks, drivers, gardeners, impulsive shopping, idle socializing, unnecessary traveling, junk food. The list is endless. My dear friends, on a serious note, because of COVID-19, we are looking at a new world order which is much more volatile, uncertain, complex and ambiguous than ever before. Routines are in shambles. It is becoming increasingly difficult to distinguish one day from the next. No individual, organization, economy or country is immune to the devastation. Probably, history shall no more be divided into BC and AD. Rather, it will be BC and AC, before Corona and after Corona. Who would have thought in the month of March that our living rooms will become new boardrooms, that our bedrooms will become new classrooms for our kids, that the mobile screens or computer screens will turn into new auditoriums, that seminars will be replaced by webinars. Who would have thought in the month of March that instead of usual increments, there will be reduction in the remunerations? We never knew that we all are so connected and that connectedness could be a source of such a great vulnerability. COVID-19 undoubtedly has put big open questions in front of us and we do not have simple answers. So what needs to be done by professionals and organizations in these catastrophic times? The very first requirement is to have an agile approach. When I say agile approach, it means evaluate the situation, act on it, evaluate the results, and then re-evaluate the situation. Technically, we call this OODA loop, which means observe, orient, decide, and then act. This approach encourages reflection and encourages constant revision as the situation changes. Second important thing for all the organizations in present times shall be to build resilience into their DNA. Resilience explains how far a tree will bend in a hurricane. Resilience explains how much impact a concrete will absorb. Resilience explains how well a roof will resist a tornado. Resilience ensures survival. Resilience ensures potential for bouncing back. Third important thing is to have a positive and an anti-fragile mindset. We know that no one can destroy iron, but its own rust can. Similarly, no one can destroy a person, but his or her own mindset can. Entire sea of water can't sink the ship until unless the water gets inside the ship. Similarly, entire negativity can't put you down until unless you allow it to go inside of you. The same boiling water which hardens the egg softens a potato. It's basically what is inside of you and not your circumstances which decides your destiny. Your mindset can enslave you. Your mindset can empower you. The choice is yours. I called one of my friends during this lockdown just to ask his well-being. You know what he said? Balkrishan, we are stuck at home. I said, why can't we say that we are blessed to have a home? Someone has beautifully said that those who wish to sing will always find a song. Fourth important thing is to develop tolerance for ambiguity. This means adaptability to new uncertain and unpredictable situations, and getting comfortable with conflicting directions and multiple demands. Survival of the quickest instead of survival of the fittest is going to be the new mantra. Whatever pain you are bearing now can be your strength for tomorrow, provided you learn from it. After all, when life never stops teaching, why should we stop learning? So our focus should be to grow through with what we are going through. And my dear friends, last but not the least is to have trust. When a train passes through a tunnel and it gets completely dark, do you throw your tickets and jump off? I guess no. You sit still, you trust. So why can't we trust now? Let's remember, when God pushes you to the edge of difficulty, trust Him. Either He will catch you when you fall, or He will teach you how to fly. Please like, subscribe, and do share your feedback in the comment section. Thanks once again for watching.